Hi everybody, let's learn the ick word family today. Stick, stick, stick. I found a long stick outside. Brick, brick, brick. The wall is made of red brick. Quick, quick, quick. He is a very quick runner. Kick, kick, kick. He can kick the ball far. Sick, sick, sick. She feels sick and needs to rest. Thick, thick, thick. The book is very thick and has many pages. Trick, trick, trick. On Halloween night, children will say, trick or treat. Lick, lick, lick. The cat will lick its paw when it's dirty. Pick, pick, pick. Can you pick an apple from the tree? Chick, chick, chick. A baby chicken is called a chick. Great job, everybody. Practice those and your pronunciation will improve. And as always, please comment and like on this video. Please help grow this channel by subscribing. So hit that subscribe button. This is Robert from Riddick's English. I will see you next time.